On the money market, results from the last T-bills auction in government met its target and recorded an oversubscription, yes, by 165.70 million Ghana cedis for the first time since March 2022. Joining us is Patrick Edem Agama, who is head of trading at Republic Securities, with some perspective. Hey, share with us, Patrick, what accounted for this oversubscription and how is trading generally on the treasury market?
Well, Dara, good afternoon. For this Acess subscription, it was largely on the back of the subscription of the 91-day treasury bill. Investors' appetite for that 91-day treasury bill is growing very, very fast. And this is because we've seen it close at 22.57 interest rate, and bids as high as 23.5% were accepted for this particular auction. For the 182-day treasury bill, it stood at 172.96 million for the bids tendered, but only 171.01 million were accepted, which also closed at 24.41%.
All right, and I guess this is the only time people are really excited that interest rates are going up. How about the secondary market? How is that also faring? What should we expect this week?
Well, for the secondary market, last week we saw a decline. If you look at the week-on-week trade volumes, we saw a decline by 25%. For this week, we expect muted activities until the release of the new inflation figures on Wednesday. So we expect investors to study the market a bit before taking decisions on that market.
And what should we expect on the stock market? My eyes are on Acess Bank shares. Tell us what is happening there, what you're seeing.
Well, there's still significant demand for stocks like Acess Bank, SIC, and MTN on the market, as we expect the market to trade a bit higher than the volumes we saw last week. We are still in the dividend season, so investors are taking advantage of that to take their new positions before the dividend qualifying date expires. So we still expect some activity on that market as well.
And before you go, I just want to take you back to the news on the treasury market. For how long do we expect to witness this sudden situation where government has met its target? For how long do you think this is going to continue? Is it for the short term, or we should expect this to go on for a while? Your forecast.
Well, in my opinion, I expect this to go on for a while, because if you look at the bids accepted for the 91-day, as high as 23.5 were accepted. So it should tell you that the next auction, we should expect bids to be going to that level. For the 182-day, as high as 25% of bids were accepted. So it should also give us an indication of where investors' appetites are for the coming days.
I appreciate your update, Patrick Edem Agama there. He is head of trading at Republic Securities. Have a good rest of the day, Patrick. And more news on our website, myjoyonline.com/business. We have that story there about government finally achieving target for T-bills auctioning, registering 1.395 billion cedis sale. Also, Construct Edge certified properties, built industry players edged. More on those stories and others on our website, myjoyonline.com/business. And that's the marketplace. Goodbye.